Hello traders everywhere, Adam Hewison here coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub. It's the 8th of August and we're going to be talking about the man with a golden touch. You know, yesterday we talked about the Washington Post being acquired by Jeff Bezos of Amazon fame, founder of Amazon in 1994. Today we'll be talking about Tesla Motors and Elon Musk, who is an incredible entrepreneur, a serial entrepreneur. He's a co-founder of PayPal. He's founded Tesla, and also he founded SpaceX, which is his space company. I mean, just either one of those are huge achievements in and of themselves, but to do all three is pretty remarkable. So let's go to the chart. Here we are at our portfolio manager. You can see Tesla Motor up 17% for the day. Little yellow square around our daily. Now the dailies, remember, the dailies aren't that important, but the weekly and the monthly were. So coming into this report today, we actually were long and we are benefiting from that today. Also look at the Washington Post. Again, we're still long in that market. Amazon, we just exited part of our Amazon today because there's the signal, Thursday, August 8th. And that was at 295.55. The market's currently at 295.95. So right around these levels, we got out of our long position in Amazon, did not go short. So let's take a look at Tesla and the stock of Tesla. Now, I'm going to start from just a year to date. That's all I'm interested in right now. And I'm going to put in our monthly trade triangles. Okay. Now, our monthly trade triangles come in at 32.78. Now, I'll have to scope this out a little bit. There it is, 32.70. That's when we felt the trend for Tesla had really begun to change and to be positive. Now, we use our monthly for trend. I'll show you the rules in just a moment. And we use our weekly for timing. So if the monthly is positive here, then we buy and we would exit here at 33. We'd get back in at 35.45 and we would be out at 36.86 for a small profit. Then we re-enter at 39.49. This has proven to be the very big trade. This is on the Full Fool's Day, and look at the move we've caught so far. So again, it's all about timing, all about trends. And Tesla, how high can it go? It can go higher. I think it's anyone's guess right now. It's just supply and demand, and people want to own this company and be part of this Tesla Elon Musk revolution. So we see this market going higher. But let's first of all look at the rules for trading Tesla stocks. So let's go there right now. So as promised, here are the rules for the trade triangles when you trade stocks. First of all, the most important rules are the monthly trade triangles. They determine the major trend, whether it's up, that would be a green triangle, or whether it's down, that would be a red triangle. We couple that with the weekly trade triangles. So we use the monthly trade triangles to determine trend, then we use the weekly trade triangles for entry and exit signals. And how that works, if the trend is down, then we would only use a green weekly trade triangle to get out of a position. Conversely, if the trend is up, we'd only use a red weekly trade triangle to exit that position. All new positions are put on when the colors combine in the two trade triangles. That's it. Pretty easy, huh? You may have seen the rules before for trading trade triangles, but the one thing we want to be do in our videos is be consistent and show you that we don't change all the time just because the market changes. These are consistent, powerful, easy to use rules. Now looking at Tesla, you can see we re-entered a long position on the 22nd of January at 35.45. Then we came out of that position on the 21st of February at 36.86 for a small gain of $1.45. We re-entered the market on the April 1st, April Fool's Day, at 39.49. And a lot of people probably thought we were fools, but as of the 8th of August, that's the opening at 154.49. We had a gain, an open trade gain of $115 in that position. The overall gain was 116.41, and we expect this market to continue to go higher. And we'll have our trade triangles in to protect ourselves if and when it reverses. On behalf of Market Club, I wish you every success.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.